You sit down, the room is clean, everything is in place, and for a moment, it feels peaceful. You finally relax, nothing out of place. Most people would stay like this, but you don't, because something small pulls your attention, a detail, a shift, something not quite right, and once you notice it, you can't unsee it. If you're someone who needs everything clean before you can relax, there's a reason for that. You're on the couch, the room looks perfect, then you see it. A pillow slightly off. Not messy, just not right. You try to ignore it. You really try. But your eyes keep going back. And now, you're not relaxed anymore. You sit down to rest. TV is on, phone nearby, but your mind drifts. To the kitchen, to the table, to something small you didn't fix. And suddenly, rest doesn't feel right yet. You clean before sitting down. You fix things others don't notice. You straighten objects without thinking. You wipe surfaces that already look clean. You walk past something, then come back, just to fix it. You tell yourself, one more thing. But it's never just one thing. You felt this before, haven't you? That moment where everything looks fine, but doesn't feel done. You're not cleaning because it's dirty. You're cleaning because it's unfinished. But something interesting is happening here. Most people think this is about liking things clean, but that's not really what's going on. Your brain scans your environment, looking for things that feel incomplete, even small ones. Psychologists call this cognitive load. It means your mind holds on to unfinished details, even when you're trying to rest. But here's where it flips. People think cleaning creates calm, but that's not actually true. You clean because calm hasn't arrived yet. You sit down after a long day. There's a glass on the table. You notice it. You tell yourself it doesn't matter, but it stays in your head. So you get up, move it, sit back down, and only then, your body relaxes. It's not about the room, it's about finally feeling quiet. And this goes deeper than cleaning. It's about control. When your space feels complete, your mind lets go. When something feels unfinished, your mind stays alert. You don't relax first, then clean. You clean, so you're allowed to relax. You sit down to watch something, then remember the kitchen. You get up, fix something small, then another, and suddenly, you've been about to relax for 20 minutes. You're not obsessed with cleaning. You're uncomfortable with things being incomplete. You probably already know this feeling, that quiet tension that doesn't go away until everything feels right. This connects to something called environmental control. Some people feel calm when their space is predictable, clean, organized, complete. Others don't notice these details as much, but you do. But this reveals something bigger. Your mind doesn't react to mess. It reacts to lack of closure. It's not about cleaning. It's about finishing. And this isn't a flaw. It means something else. You notice details others miss. You see things before they become problems. You don't ignore small inconsistencies. You fix them. That's why you're good at organizing, why you feel better when things are aligned, why your environment matters more than most. You probably know someone like this. Or maybe you're thinking of yourself right now. You don't just like clean spaces. You create calm through completion. For you, order isn't visual, it's emotional. So now it's a bit different. You sit down, the room is clean, everything feels right, and for a moment, your mind goes quiet. Think about that for a moment. Because once you notice this pattern, you start seeing it everywhere. In how you work, in how you think, in how you finish things. And maybe it was never about cleaning at all. So now I'm curious. When you try to relax, do you sit down immediately? Or do you fix a few things first, before you can?